My name is Lobsang Wongdu. I'm with Yongdu.com. I would like to introduce today Tibetan famous chef Sering Bamdi. Sering is here today to show us some more cooking. Welcome, Sering.
Thank you, and thank you for the Yongdu.com, and I'm great to be here. And let's start and let's rock and let's have a fun for us. Today I'm making a Mothuk soups. It means like a dumpling soups, and we are Tibetan people. We eat that Mothuk soups because the Tibet is the highest plateau in the world, and so we need like a more warm soup, and the Mothuk is one of the best and one of the best traditionally soup we enjoy. Today I'm making for a meat Mothuk for the 4 peoples. I can use like a 2.5 cup of AP flour, all-purpose of flours. Two and a half cups, and 1 cup of cold water. For the 4 people throw. Now this is a throw for 4 peoples, and it is already good. Then I can keep it for half an hour in the pot, and I can cover it with the plastics, and it will comes like a more easy to roll it later. Now we are making meat moktuks, and here are the ingredients: ground beef, onions, chives, celery, cilantro, cabbage, and black peppers, and little bit hot water, and garlic. These are the ingredients for the moktuks fillings. First I can chop the celery. Okay, half stalk of celery, and I can cut it dry, small pieces. Now I chop the cabbage. It should be a dry, small pieces. And it is 1 cup of cabbage. I'm chopping chives. In Tibetan we call kurze. Now I'm chopping cilantros. Now I'm chopping a garlic. Why I put it like this is faster to remove the skin and easy to chop it. Now we are using a quarter of onion, red onions, the dry small pieces. Now I'm going to mix all ingredients filling in the moktuks. Onion, ground beef, onion, garlic, cabbage, celery, cilantro, and chives. Touch of black pepper. 1/3 cup of water, hot water. Half a teaspoon of salt. Then I can mix it with the beautiful finger. These are the Mothuk soups. We make it. This is a big neck bones, and celery, green onion, tomatoes, and cilantro, garlic, and onion. You can use any kind of beef bone is okay to use to bring the flavor of the soup. And we have a salt and a cooking oil. Now I'm chopping celery. You can chop any kind, okay. You can chop dry, slice, serrate, whatever you want it. The green onions. Now I'm chopping a cilantro. You don't have to cut any small pieces. This is looks beauty. I'm chopping tomatoes. You can use it half like this, half you can chop it small pieces. At the end with the cilantro you can put it. Onion dries or slice or whatever you can cut it is okay for the soups. Yeah, that's it for onion. Okay, this time we don't need that much oil because beef have a lot of fats and it gives you the soup already like a flavorful. And first I can add garlic. Garlic and onion. And celery. And I have a half of tomato. I cut two different. One is slices or one is dries. And slices I can put on the first. Now I put the beef neck bone. Let them cover for 3 minutes. Okay, now I can add the water here. After 3 minutes the bone will be cooked and they have a little stock already. And now I can put some more water. I put like a 7.5 cup of hot water or cold water, whatever water you have, you can use it that. And cover it with a high heat. It will boil themselves. Right now the soup is boiling and temping, and we can make a moktuks. Right now I'm making the moktuk toe. I can bring like all like a same size. Then I can cut it like a same equal sizes. Then I can roll it. Then I can make it easily. Okay. I love it. This toe is best one. Now I'm making a circle for the shape to the moktuks, and you have to do like this. And this finger you have to center. You can bring a thick and side is little thin. So when you roll, it's easy for you to roll it. The moktu is like a momo, and moktu are hard to make it and easy to taste is really good. Now we are making a moktuks. Up and down, push and pull, up and down. Now the soup is boiling, and we have 2 neck bones of the beef, and I can take out because it takes a lot of space inside and it will break the momo inside. Right now I put 1 tablespoon of salt. If you need more, you can add. Like some people eat less salt, some people eat a little bit more. If you need more, and you can add. Now I can drop the momos inside. Mothuks. And we put momo already inside. Then just boil for 5 to 6 minutes and cover it right now. Just leave it for 5 to 6 minutes because the meat is not a cook, so it needs more time. I have a little leftover meat, and you can put inside the soup. After 6 minutes later, this the moku is cooked already, so I can turn off the fire and I can turn a little bit. It looks happy, everything. Then I can add some the ending garnishing fruit, like a beauty, green onions and tomatoes, diced tomatoes and cilantros. Some people feel like weak and sick, and if you can eat this type of food, you can be back who you are, how you are, where you stay. You can be like the same next day back and enjoy. Thank you for watching yourwongtu.com. If you guys have any question, if you guys have any comment, please let us know and write something for us. And thank you. Eat good, make happy. The life is joyous. Enjoy it.